Hey guys, welcome back to my Gasway Backyard. And today, I'm going to Don't try to say wow. And if I try to say wow, seriously, I have to eat. No, I have to pick my booger. I cannot see you. I cannot see my face because I have a big I cannot see. You can see the screen. Okay, so let's try this first. Okay. I didn't say wow. I say what? What? The police car was on the street? How did they do that? It's not gonna be a slime. It's not gonna be a fudge slime. So something is wrong with that graphic here. Oh. A Rocky Mountain sheep just hanging around. Oh my god, a Rocky Mountain sheep just hanging around there. If she dies, I'm gonna cry. I spilled my coffee and now Elvis is crying. Yeah, look, she spilled his coffee. And then Elvis is crying. What? Is she a time traveler or what? Is that her? What? It looks like her. She eats her finger. Her clothing is like the style, the sunglasses. Is she a criminal or what? I don't know. I say wow again. Cool. I didn't say it. I say wow again. Family remembrance, my brother and I. Oh wow, that's so cute. Wow. Yeah, I did say wow. I have 3 lives. I have 8 lives now. This tire mark on a highway looks like a hummingbird. Is it a hummingbird? Oh yeah, it's a hummingbird. Wait, let me check. It's a hummingbird. Wow, so cool. What is that mark? White mark? I don't know what that white mark. I didn't say wow, I said what? A row of bold clones? What? Oh my gosh, I'm trying to say wow, but I cannot. Oh my gosh! Wait. Oh my gosh. Wow! I did say wow! So I have 7 lives now. Oh my gosh. Wow! Wow! I have 6 lives now! These two guys entered the metro form different station and don't even know each other. Look! It's the same sign! Look, there's a Paris with a line. The Paris with a line. Oh my gosh! It's not the same color, right? But it's the same sign. Oh my god! They also dyed their hair, but not the same color. Wait, the real Snoopy? What? Snoopy's ear is not like that, but wow! I have 5 lives more. Oh my gosh, I kept saying wow. Ouch. The real Snoopy was coming right up. So wowy and cooly and wow. Did I say wow again? How many times I can't stop saying wow? I have 4 lives now. I'm almost gonna be dead. My doctor said I look exactly like the guy on the wall. Yeah, the same t-shirt. What is this? This is definitely listening to music. Cool. Look, she's trying to listen to music because the headphones like on the music form. Yeah. Everybody loves ice cream. What? How cool! Like on her back of her t-shirt was like sticking out her tongue. And there's an ice cream over her back of her chair and like the design on her back of her clothes was the design on her clothes was licking the ice cream. Wow. Let me down comment section below. What could that be? A reindeer or a bunny? I was stirring my coffee, looked down and realized I had intricately stirred a fox into the foam. I thought it was a bunny. It looks like a bunny and a deer. It's not a fox. Did I say wow again? I have 3 lives now. My cat looks like exactly the one on her treat bag. Oh, wow! That's so cool. Wow, cool. Did I say wow again? I have 2 lives now. I'm gonna be suck of this. Because of the trip placement, the M&M on the bag was 2 emotions. Oh, yeah. This one, like, oh, sad face, boring face. And the other one, I'm so happy. My eyes were so sad, but my lips are so happy. Like that. Destiny. She got the brand. I mean, he got or she got the brand new sofa, I guess. In the matrix. You see, guys, I only have 1 more left. I'm stuck of this. My friend's dog in the background and her son's t-shirt match perfectly. Yeah, look at that. It's a husky and a husky, but this one is a wolf. This one's a husky. I thought it was a husky, but this one on his shirt was a wolf. Wow, so cute! And I love definitely, guys, I lose, guys. So hope you like my video and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please leave the comment section below if you try not to say wow. And if you play with me, guys, let me in the comment section below if you say many times wow. Me, I say a lot of times wow, but I'm the loser. In the comment section below if you win. Bye. Okay, so I definitely glitched it. Sorry.